Sampath Company. Therefore, in the books of Sampath Company, journal entries. Right. Here also the value of shares is 10. This is question number 2. Question number 2 in the exercise. 2. Sampath Company issued 25,000 shares of rupees 10 each payable, 3 on application, 4 on allotment, 3 on first and final call. So, in this problem, this journal entry, the 4th stage does not require. In this journal entry does not require. This is not required. So, this is the 3rd stage is equity share, first and final call. Equity share, first and final call account. Final call account. Final call account. The same thing. Equity share, first and the final call account. First and final call account. Since there are only 3 stages, the 3 set of journal entries, 3 into 2, 6 journal entries are sufficient. Here, the amount is divided into 3 rupees on application, 4 rupees on allotment, 3 rupees as call money. The same set of journal entries and how many application shares are issued. Here there are certain stages which I should make. 1. Application money on how many shares? This is one question. At what rate? This is another question. Then allotment money due at the rate of rupees 1, 4, the same thing. Then the last one, first and final call money due at the rate of rupees 1. That I should mention. First and final call. Because both the calls are combined together. First and final call money due at the rate of rupees 1, we should write. Here, application money at the rate of rupees 3, allotment money at the rate of rupees 4, first and the final call money at the rate of rupees 3. Okay, we have completed the task here. Our question is, why this problem has been given And why this problem I have selected? You should remember. In the first problem, 50,000 shares were issued, all the 50,000 shares were subscribed and money received. Issue பண்ணன 50,000 ஷேரையும் பப்ளிக் வாங்கிட்டாங்க. But here what it is, 25,000 shares were issued, but the directors allotted all the 24,000 shares because the people, the public subscribed for only 24,000 shares. It's very important. Not all the 25,000 shares are subscribed for. So, whether the money will be received on issued shares or the money will be received on subscribed shares. This is the question now. Our issue பண்ணது 25,000, but public apply பண்ணது 24,000. For what number of shares the money will be received? Public எவ்வளவு subscribe பண்றாங்களோ for that number of shares only the money will be received. So here, though the number of shares issued is 25,000, this is issued, but public subscribed only 24,000 shares. So you should take only 24,000 because for 24,000 only the money will be received. This is called under subscription. When I was teaching the theory part in the previous two classes, I said what is under subscription. If the number of shares subscribed is lesser than the number of shares issued, then it is called under subscription. Issue பண்ண ஷேரை விட கம்மியான ஷேருக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணனா, that is called under subscription. Okay, so we should take only 24,000 shares for calculation. Therefore, on 24,000 shares. On 24,000 shares, 3 into 24,000, 72,000. You should write here. 72,000. Yes. $72,000. The same 72,000 this side also. Yes. Then equity share allotment account to equity share capital. What amount? This is 4 rupees. 4 into 24. 96,000. 96,000 allotment due at the rate of rupees 4. And the first and the final call money at the rate of rupees 3. The same 3 into 24,000. Here the same 96,000. You can write. Same 96,000. And the third part, the third and the fourth part are combined together. You can go through the question. 4 on allotment, rupees 3 on first and the final call. So both the calls are combined together. Therefore, we can write here 3 into 24,000, that is 72,000. Here, 72,000. The same thing here also, 72,000. 72,000. 72,000. And received money duly was necessary journal entries. We have passed 6 journal entries. Once again, I repeat the same. What is the problem? Why it should be given? Why we should see this problem? All these things we shall see now. Here the last problem. The number of shares issued were only 50,000 shares. All the 50,000 shares were issued and subscribed for. Issue பண்ண 50,000 ஷேரையும் public subscribe பண்ணிட்டாங்க. That means வாங்கிட்டாங்க. So we have taken for each and every calculation rupees 50,000. I mean number of shares 50,000. Whereas in this problem, the company issued only 25,000 shares, but the number of shares subscribed for is lesser than that 25,000, that is 24,000 shares only. Say, I asked you a question in the beginning of this problem itself. For what number of shares the money will be received by the company? The money will be received by the company only which was subscribed by the public. Though the number of shares issued is 25,000, the number of shares subscribed is only 24,000. For this 24,000 only, the company can receive the money. Therefore, for all the calculation, we should take only 24,000. So, for the first journal entry, 3 rupees application money, therefore 3 into 24,000, 72,000, the same thing here. And for the second stage, allotment stage, 4 into 24,000, 96,000, for this also the same. Then first and final call rupees 3 into 24,000, 72,000, we go to that. Once again, we talk about the journal entries. First stage, money should be paid first, then it is transferred. That is why here the company is receiving the money. The bank account debtor to equity share application account is coming very first journal entry. Coming as the very first journal entry. And therefore it is transferred here. In the second and the third stages, this second journal entry becomes the first journal entry becomes the second, with the necessary small changes. What small changes? This application, this journal entry will come here because it is allotment. This application will be removed by allotment. The same journal entry. This same journal entry we can write here. Here instead of this application we can write allotment. The same. That is the same thing for first and the final call also. I repeat once again, in this problem, the two calls are combined together. Therefore, we don't write or there is no need of writing the fourth journal entry. Only the third journal entry. The problem is over. Therefore, the same thing we are writing, the same journal entry with necessary changes instead of allotment, first and final call. Instead of allotment, first and final call, the same thing. Only thing you should remember here in this problem, this is an under subscription problem. Therefore, you should take the number of shares for which the share money is subscribed for 24,000 only. Though the number of shares issued by the company is 25,000. The shares subscribed were only 24,000. This is otherwise called under subscription. Therefore, for 24,000 only, we should do all the calculations here.